This is a 1982 Datsun 280ZX S130 belonging to Amanda S, and this journey started back with a Datsun 180B SSS that she owned when she was 17. While the Z wasn't an appropriate option for teenage Amanda, the sporty and super cool 280ZX quickly became a dream car. Fast forward to 2019 and she finally got her hands on one. Unfortunately, that car, which she shipped from Perth, was beyond saving and became a parts car. This one arrived just a year later, and what started with a leaking windscreen ended up being a full back to bare metal rust removal and restoration. This car has had quite a history. Despite leaving the factory white, by the time Amanda got it, it was red, and around 15 layers of paint needed to be taken off by acid dipping, manual labour and sandblasting. After hunting through traffic for the perfect colour, she chose Holden's Sting Red for the final hue, and instead of colour matching the bumpers as was normal for Aussie delivered 280s, she painted them a contrasting satin black to match the bonnet's knacker duct. This Series 2 car was a facelift for the 280 and came standard with power windows, steering and mirrors in 1982. I asked Amanda what her favourite thing about this car is, and she said, driving it. With it being a 40-year-old car, it's a privilege to be able to enjoy it on the road. Being a manual, it's nice to have that feeling of actually driving the car, and the T-tops bring the outside in and make summer driving a dream. This car sounds to me like a Datsun dream come true.